Ito yung crucial in-game mga idol ng Cebu Greats at Zamboanga Sikat Sardines. Gusto kunin ng team ng Cebu mga idol ang kanilang pang-anim na straight na panalo. Samantala, gusto din ng team ng Zamboanga na makabounce back sa crucial na pagtatalo laban sa Sarangani. Kaya tara mga idol, ating alamin kung sino ang manaig hanggang dulo. Cebu Greats versus Zamboanga Sikat Sardines. Pero bago dyan mga idol, paki-like naman, share at subscribe sa ating channel.
Against Lian Martin, you see the quarter scoring. +8 Cebu, first quarter. +8 din naman Zamboanga in the second period. Kaya tabla tayo at the half. But Zamboanga taking over tayo at the half. But Zamboanga taking over in the third. But how about June Manzo starting? 2 out of 2 nga lang siya kanina sa free throw line.
Oh,
wow!
Continue to.
Pino Mosqueda, Alvin Capobres, James Sena, and Jason Credo naman ang magkakasama sa loob para sa Zamboanga. Carl Brian Cruz lost it. 4 seconds left. Ugsang creating some pressure. What activity there by Reeve Ugsang, forcing. Manzo likes this matchup against James Sena.
That's why he's asking for a clear.
Ugsang pupukol sa tres. Malakas. At Lawan, the offensive rebound, supalpal. But Ugsang there, rebound, supalpal. But Ugsang there to clean it up, clean it up.
May nagpapakape si Sir J.
Ayos yan. 2 minuto nakalipas sa ating pang-apat na yugto. Abdul Sawat nagbabalik para sa Zamboanga. Atake. Bintes. Tip in is good. Bintes. Tip in from Paul Turgo.
So, pag wala raw games, doon siya humahanap ng me time niya, yung relax and peace outside of basketball.
Approaching 7 minutes remaining here.
Ooh.
Abdul Sawat blew out a tire. And it leads to a fast break opportunity. June Manzo.
Oh, that's gonna be
ulo.
That.
Finally make.
Ang ganda ng percentage sabay.
Di ba?
Oo.
56-53. June Manzo. Puts it up.
Wow.
Puts it. 56-53. June Manzo. Puts it up. Wow. In from downtown. Abdul Sawat at mas matangkad in Mark Meneses.
Ito na yata ang pinakamatibay na defensive 3.
Oh!
Sa big defensive 3.
Oh!
Sa big
Jamie Kawilan.
Oh, yan.
Knocks down the 3.
Yun ang hindi mo pwedeng pabayaan.
Oh.
Kasi catch and shoot, I sincerely believe that JP Kawilan is one of the best when it comes to catch and shoot situations.
Also recently named an all-star si JP Kawilan.
Ganda kasi ng motor niya from the release up top. That's one motion. Yeah. From the release up top.
And he has earned the trust of Coach Junping and Roy Sumang. And he has done a good job. Sumang held to only 2 points.
I love the player matchups on.
Oh,
wow!
Abdul Sa.
The player matchups on.
Oh, wow! Awat willing that one in. Basket plus a foul.
No, I can finish this.
Zamboanga, you would be willing to give up that kind of shot from Boom Boom Tampos. Si Kawilan, hindi mo pwede pawan Boom Tampos. Si Kawilan, hindi mo pwede pakawalan from that distance. 5 frees for a total. Kay June Manzo, Janamon is also in, replacing Boom Boom Tampos. Ugsang, the pass outside, outside, That's a big time free to tie it up again at 62 apiece.
I tell you, if you from this point on, you gotta defend without fouling. Stay in front. Don't be reaching. Challenge shots.
Popping out, Carl Brian Cruz got blocked by Mark Meneses. Putting his imprint on defense once again. Ugsang at the post. Fading away. Oh. Fading away! Oh my goodness! Revolt Sang! 20.16 rebound outing he had back in Palayan City last Saturday. Roy Sumang with 10 on their shot clock. Only 2 points so far for Roy. Kicks it out to JP Kawilan, pulls the trigger,
my
and
goodness.
gets JP Kawilan, pulls the trigger,
My
and
goodness.
gets it to go.
That's not fair. Zamboanga playing to remain at number 2 and get home court advantage. Oh. 2 and get home court advantage. Oh.
They will count it.
Oh my. We gotta see that again.
Abdul Sawat up top. Kawilan offering that screen.
Gotta watch out for JP.
JP puts it on the deck, drives right, swatted away by Dolan Adlawan.
My goodness.
Line. June Manzo to trigger it in.
Wow.
Mark Meneses! He was right there where he is 3 out of 4. Calmly 6 the Abdul Sawat, the drop to JP Kawilan. Sawat, the drop to JP Kawilan, who scores. Manzo will catch, put it on the deck. He drives,
That's
will
gotta
lay
count.
it deck. He drives,
That's
will
gotta-
lay it in. Oh, counted yun.
That's got.
Who you foul if you're Cebu with well, he misses the free throw. Yun yung mabigat. Manzo
Now is the time to defend.
only 2 out of 6 from the line.
Get a good defense, secure the rebound.
About a 4-second differential between shot and game clock.
That is enough time.
Roy Sumang attacks, pulling up. Money! Roy Sumang attacks, pulling up. Money! On the mid-range jumper.
They got time.
But still a 2-possession game. Hamon. A second remaining. And that's gonna do it. Zamboanga. How about Roy Sumang?
Umang. Going back again to his UE days. When he would at crunch time deliver the dagger against June Manso. No problem. Little step back. And that basket made just in time.